Notion is not just another note-taking app, it's a customizable workspace that integrates documentation, task management, wikis, project dashboards, and team chat. Imagine if Google Docs, Trello, Evernote, Airtable, and Slack merged into one seamless tool. That's Notion. It's a space where your notes, tasks, databases, and team collaboration tools coexist beautifully, transforming your workspace into a creative playground rather than a cluttered desktop. Notion shines in various areas today. For personal productivity, it offers journals, task lists, and habit trackers. Startups can utilize dashboards for objectives and key results, roadmaps, and customer relationship management systems. Students benefit from class notes and syllabus tracking, while freelancers can manage project timelines and client portals. Creators enjoy content calendars and idea boards, and remote teams can collaborate through wikis, documents, and meeting notes. Notion's flexibility allows you to create pages and sub-pages, manage tasks with checkboxes and due dates, link databases, and use an AI writing assistant for drafting and brainstorming. In 2025, Notion AI continues to evolve, offering features like auto-generating summaries and rewriting text in different tones. It's like having ChatGPT built into your documents, enabling faster brainstorming, reducing blank page anxieties, and providing smarter note reviews. Notion AI helps draft emails, summarize meeting notes, and even brainstorm blog ideas, all within your workspace, saving you time and enhancing productivity. Notion's user experience across web, desktop, and mobile apps is clean and snappy. The offline mode works better than ever, and syncing across devices is smooth and dependable. Whether you're writing solo or collaborating with a team, the user experience remains focused and distraction-free. The minimal design feels like a blank canvas, yet it hides powerful blocks that can be arranged like Lego for productivity. Notion offers a range of pricing plans to suit different needs. The free plan is ideal for individuals and students. The Plus plan, at $10 per month, is best for freelancers and solopreneurs. The Business plan, at $15 per month, provides advanced team features and admin tools. For large organizations, the Enterprise plan offers SAML, advanced controls, and audit logs. Notion's pros include its incredible flexibility and scalability, a beautiful interface with rich media support, an excellent free plan, game-changing AI integration, and a huge community with a vast template ecosystem. However, it can feel overwhelming to beginners, lacks end-to-end encryption, and has a learning curve with databases and advanced views. Despite these cons, many find it a valuable tool for organizing their work and life. Users have shared their experiences with Notion. One user said, "I replaced 5 apps with Notion. Everything I need lives in one space now." Another noted, "As a content creator, Notion is my creative hub. Calendar, scripts, ideas, even brand sponsors." A third user mentioned, "Notion AI saves me hours. I summarize client notes in seconds." These testimonials highlight Notion's versatility and efficiency. In a world flooded with productivity apps, Notion stands out not just for its sleek interface, but for its ability to grow with you. Whether you're planning your next YouTube video, collaborating with a global team, or simply managing your life, Notion in 2025 remains one of the most powerful tools in the creator economy. Its adaptability makes it suitable for freelancers, remote teams, creators, students, and startups alike. Notion is more than a note-taking app. It's your all-in-one productivity system. It's customizable to any workflow, from solo creatives to 100-person teams. Notion AI helps you write, think, and organize smarter. You can start free and scale up only when you're ready. So, is Notion the only app you need in 2025? It just might be.